Where can I see canceled customers in Putler? Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you where you can see canceled customers in Putler. Let's get started. First, log into your Putler account. Then go to the Transactions dashboard. Next, choose the date range you want to analyze. Here I'm selecting last 6 months. On the left-hand side, you'll find predefined filters, also known as facets. Scroll down until you see the status section. Now, segment your transactions based on status here. I'm clicking on Canceled to view all canceled transactions. You'll also see the number of canceled transactions in brackets. Once you apply the filter, you'll see the Transactions list view. And Putler will show only the canceled transactions. You can also export this list as a CSV file to see the details of canceled customers. Then, reach out to understand why they left. You can offer a discount or get on a quick call to address their concerns. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.